Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. Now, yesterday obviously was a holiday in the US. We did move up to hit the structure that I gave you, which was at 33,374. I would prefer to see us pull back and find some support lower down. We do have a grouping of the oscillators at the moment, which is not very healthy for jumping in long at the moment. So a little bit skeptical for jumping in long and holding any sort of long for an extended period of time, and that would be longer than sort of 3 or 4 hours. So at the moment, we are extremely overbought on the 3 hour as well. You can see there we do have the crossover of moving averages well in play. And we also have the start of a fairly strong trend line at the moment. So we've had 3 touches on that already. But if I draw a line on the top here, it could also be a flag that is broken to the wrong side. So typically you've got a 25% probability of that playing out. Alternatively, what we're looking at is a channel forming. Something along those lines. Not that clear, but anyway. So for me, what we're looking at is this is a clear break here. You can see how we have tried to defend this break and then squirted through on Friday. So that is still the area that I am paying attention to. Just delete that diagonal. And if we get down to the levels we want to be trading, that is the area we want to be paying attention to. Now, if you look at the 1 hour oscillators, that is giving you a complete different picture. Yesterday we did the video that you do not go long up here, and you can see the reason for that. We started rejecting that level. Now look at the oscillators. They are indicating that there's a very strong possibility that you can go long. So 15-minute chart is the order of the day. So we have move down, flag, move down. This is another flag, so I would expect another leg down, probably into this zone here at 33,023 or 3,300. As soon as we're into this area, there's a little gap down here as well. I would then start looking to see whether we have some opportunities for a long. So if we come back to the hour, you can see there's a little bit of structure there. It's on the 15 minutes as well. So that is at 33.23, and just below that at 32.778. So I'm looking for some kind of buying opportunity in this area for another leg to the upside. And a couple of ways of playing it: wait for the structure down here, tight stop, wait for the move to the upside, or alternatively, pay attention to the flag. And do that there, and wait for a break above the structure of the flag and then a move to the upside. So that's kind of the 2 scenarios that we're looking at the moment. One thing to bear in mind, guys, is it is end of the month, so we do have a massive pin bar forming. So the bulls are definitely going to be trying to ensure that this pin bar is maintained, and the bears are going to be trying to reverse this, so we have another red bar on the monthly, which is basically a continuation. So everything to play for. So everything that you do today needs to be done with quite a bit of caution involved, and make sure that your trade positions are relatively small, or should I rather say that your risk is relatively small. So as long as if you can get into a trade with a very tight stop loss, go for it. But don't exceed your risk profile. Anyway, that's kind of my view this morning. Definitely looking for some form of support and then another opportunity to buy. And if we do start breaking this trend line, then that's going to validate the flag break to the upside, which will be a fairly strong move. At the moment, that's going to be around 900 points. So just need to find some structure to buy off. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.